minutes after this.
Well, hello my friends. Welcome to another fun-filled episode of Attorney Reacts. For this episode, I'm your host, Attorney Marcus Session. Today, I'm gonna react to a video titled, Girl Beater Grandpa is Convicted That Laws Don't Apply to Him. I wonder how. I guess we'll find out. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for liking and subscribing to our page. Please help us to beat the algorithm and get these numbers up because we love disseminating valuable information to you guys. And if you get a chance, please stop by my personal page. I always have some content there for you guys. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
On July 3rd, 2022, officers responded to an intoxicated male creating a disturbance.
Probably about more than 20 minutes ago, he started banging on the door, like beating on the door, like about to smash it in. And he came in here, started screaming at me, calling me all kinds of names, backed me up in the corner, and I kind of got over before he could harm me.
Okay, so usually when cops show up to someone's home for a domestic situation, what they do is they take the sides of both individuals, both the alleged victim and both the alleged perpetrator or suspect. That's usually the sign of good police work, and then after they gather both stories, they figure out whether a crime has taken place or whether or not there's enough probable cause to arrest either party on a crime, and they go from there. Let's see how this unfolds.
So he's threatening my grandma. My mom just told me to call you guys again. I'm over it.
You thought he was going to?
Yeah, he did it before. The last time that I was here, the reason why I moved out and everything went down the last time was that he backed me up into the dresser in my bedroom and raised his hand up at me. But the boyfriend that I had here, when that happened, kind of just shoved him off of me. And
First off, why is your boyfriend living in the house with you and your grandparents? I know she didn't say that he was living there, but that he was there. But I assume he was living there. Anyway, I'm off topic again. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not.
I got out of here safely as I could. I don't know. He's raised his hand to me before. He's hit me a couple years ago.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here probably on and off since probably COVID started.
You need to try and get your own spot. You know, that way you don't have to deal with other people, especially if you're a full-grown adult. I'm just saying. I know sometimes people hit on hard times. You got to live somewhere, but the objective should be to get out your grandpa's house.
He is currently sitting out back now. Yeah, out back there. Well, okay, so I was standing right here. He was getting closer to me, and I was like, you know me, I'm like, get the away from me. I'm sorry that I'm cursing, but that's what I told him. I was like, get away from me, just stay away from me. And my grandma was like, well, get in my room, and he started coming closer and closer, and I went over the gate, shut the gate, and went back, and he stood right over the gate coming to me. And I know if he got any more closer to me, he would probably match me. I know that he's carrying around maybe a box cutting knife. I see him have that with him sometimes. I'm not sure if that's on him as we speak right now.
It's a box cutter, relax. A box cutter. Maybe he was helping somebody move.
As far as firearms,
No guns or anything. I know there's some kitchen knives out back or something that he could possibly get a hold of. I'm not.
Okay, so maybe he's gonna eat a steak. Okay, I'm gonna stop being critical, all right? A lot of dog kennels.
What am I going to do? Stand up. Stand up. For what? Stand up. For what? Don't do it, man. Don't do it.
You are infringing on my rights.
Okay. I already see tons of issues with what just went on here. For one, it's bad police work. How could you come to the backyard after hearing her side of the story and like any reasonable cop ask this man, hey, what's going on here? Ask his side of the story at least to see what his experience was. Maybe she was lying. All we did was hear her side of the story. I don't know. I tried to look for some backstory, didn't find much, but why just take her word, then arrest him? And then we got to go with the general rule of probable cause. Of course, you need reasonable suspicion to be able to detain someone for questioning, and you need probable cause to arrest someone. And of course, we know probable cause is satisfied if a reasonable cop can conclude that it's more probable than not that a crime had taken place. I don't know if based upon just her side of the story and her words that it's reasonable to conclude that this man had committed the crime of domestic violence. She didn't seem to have any marks on her body. She didn't show the cops any mark. It's just testimony that he, pushed me and something. I don't know. So I don't understand why he's being arrested right now. And I especially don't understand why he's being arrested without hearing his side of the story. So far, cops get an F for cop work.
Abuse.
Get down.
Abuse.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
You little lying.
You're going to get down.
I can't roll you. Expect me to go with the goddamn
Put your
stuff
hand
here.
behind your back.
I did. Abuse. You guys is going to hear about this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You guys are gonna hear about this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I feel bad for you, buddy. I kind of do and I kind of don't, because inside I actually think he did something. I don't know if it elevates to what she said he did, but he did something. So that's why I don't feel bad for him, but I do feel bad for him because honestly his rights are being infringed upon. He wasn't given the dignity of a good cop investigation before they decided to arrest him.
Man, you guys are going to hear about this big time. Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in court.
All right, tell me what I'm being arrested
You have the
for.
right to an attorney and have an attorney present with you during any and all questioning.
Well, we go through communist shit.
If you can't afford an
When you
attorney,
can't tell me what I'm being
one will
arrested
be appointed.
for.
So they aren't telling him what he's being arrested for, and some of you guys may not believe this, but there's nowhere constitutionally where they have to. They just have to be able to articulate their probable cause to a judge or to a district attorney. I take it that's why they're not telling him right now what he's being arrested for, but obviously it's for domestic violence. But then, again, do they have enough probable cause to arrest him for committing domestic violence just based upon the word of his granddaughter? I don't think so.
Any questioning if you wish.
Because you guys...
You understand your rights, how I read it to you?
No, I do not, because
Okay.
I have not done nothing.
You're being arrested for domestic violence. I'm going to read you.
Domestic violence?
Yes, I'm
About
going to read your
what?
rights again.
About what?
You have the right to remain
I
silent.
didn't touch nobody.
Anything you say can will be
Huh?
used against you in court.
Go show me marks or
Have an attorney
something.
present with you during any and all
You
questions.
guys... Yeah, okay.
It seems as if he's been at this rodeo before.
Whatever. No, I don't
One will be
understand.
appointed to
Come
you
on, let's
prior to
go.
any
Can I
questioning if
get
you
up?
wish.
Can I get up?
Do you
My
understand
legs
those rights?
cramping. No.
Do you understand
Hey.
all
I do
your rights?
not. No, I do not.
Okay. Would you like me to read them to you again?
No. You keep that bullshit to yourself.
I'm going to read them to you one more time.
No,
Make sure that you
there's no
understand them this
sin.
time.
There is no sin.
Okay?
All right, stand up.
There is no sin.
Do you have anything on you I need to know about?
No. Fuck, I ain't even got my wallet.
Oh, well, stop reaching for shit.
I just went like that.
You're reaching in your pocket.
First off, what are you gonna reach for? Second off, you should have searched him. Incident to a lawful arrest. You can search him to see if there's anything in his pockets, then you won't have to wonder what he's reaching for.
Pocket.
Do you guys know how big of a trouble you're going to be in?
Well, for doing my job?
No, sir, you did not do your job.
I don't believe so. You
Yeah.
think I need to know about this?
Well, I'll tell you, whatever. I couldn't feel it in there. I'm getting assaulted for no reason.
No, you're resisting, all
No,
right?
I'm not resisting.
You.
You.
Okay, you keep that up.
Yeah, what are you going to do about it? Because
Anything else we need to be aware of?
Because I tell you, what are you going to do about it?
Anything else we need to be aware of in our
What?
inside?
Is that weed? Does old man have a little bit of the devil's lettuce?
That's all right. I'll be out, and then we're
Hey,
going
Jim.
to see what kind of bullshit you guys go through.
Hey, Jim.
Because I've not done nothing.
Is there anything in or on your person that we need to be aware of? That
No,
you
okay? He done cleaned me out.
That you may
Now that fat come out here, steal my money, get my money.
that you may convey into the jail?
I like how he yelled at the cop, and the cop was like, get my money! And the cop was like, all right. Okay, guys, y'all know I can find comedy in anything.
I'd rather them than that fat little.
Please understand that if you convey anything into the jail,
All right,
you're not
look,
allowed
that's
to.
all I had on me.
That you will be charged
And
with
I'm done robbing me. Do you know that was an illegal search?
that you will be
Because
charged
it was not out in sight.
with an additional
Search
fine.
incident to arrest.
It was.
Hey, you can be.
No.
You
That was a legal search. If they're going to arrest him, they have the right to search him and within his immediate wingspan. So I guess that table was within his immediate wingspan. And also, it's in plain view. Whatever contraband they see in plain view is fair game.
keep playing attorney, all right?
Of illegal.
Okay, that works.
Everything here's legal.
All right. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Because I ain't done nothing. No, I ain't.
Cop told him, keep playing attorney. Right now, the cops don't seem to understand their jobs. They don't seem to understand how to investigate a situation, and they don't seem to understand probable cause.
Ain't got nothing. Doesn't he want to check my underwear? That
They'll do that in jail.
Say somebody's underwear?
That's all right. That's all right. You just wait because this shit's coming back. It's coming back really fold. You think I don't know my rights? These think I don't know my rights. It's coming back on them. It's coming back on them.
It's coming back on them. It's coming back on them. Like Jordan in 95.
Coming back on you, you fat little. I did not resist. Why you gotta lie like this? It takes a to lie. It takes a goddamn to lie.
You're on camera, man.
I don't care.
You're not lying.
Yeah, you are. You don't lie. My hands was behind my back as soon as I was up out of the chair. Now, how was I resisting?
You were.
No, I wasn't resisting.
All right, well,
we'll
you
go
can
back
argue-
over
you
this.
can argue that
That's
afterwards.
goddamn right, I will. Calling me this little.
All right.
Now, this is a part of the beep section where we're going to hear beep, 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 like every other beep, because he cussing a lot.
Guys, don't. Do not put that around me.
We're.
Don't.
It's safety first.
I don't want it. Get it off of me.
For safety.
Get it off of me.
He acts like he's allergic to the damn seatbelt. Like, don't you put God. This man is off the chain. Although I'd be pissed too if I got arrested without probable cause.
We have to buckle you up.
No, you don't.
Yes, we
No,
do.
you act like safety reasons, but you're going to attack me in the back. You're going to attack me in the back. You, Tommy, don't touch me. God damn it.
I lost the keys off my belt, and somewhere along those lines there, I found them.
Real quick, I just wanted to say that Attorney Tom / Attorney Reacts content is now on Spotify. We just launched a partnered show, link in the description. Go check it out. Now, back to the video.
What's it going to do when it comes back and slaps you in the face?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when he come for you? Nobody snuck. I never knew the words to that shit.
You goddamn. That drunked up charges. Yeah, okay, we're going to see what the judge thinks about this. Yeah, we're going to see what the judge thinks about this. How did I have domestic violence? Would you explain that to me? That's all right. I'll be back to get that little.
Now that's when you need to shut the hell up. You're hurling threats. I'll be back to get that little. That makes it look like you did do what she said you did. Shut the hell up. They read you your rights. You just need to speak to an attorney at this point. You're under arrest. Shut up.
She's going to need hell yeah, she's going to need a psychiatrist after this.
Oh my God. Man, give your attorney something to work with. Jesus.
You guys are doing this because, okay, down at the end, you guys are going to say, well, you're tired of coming out here.
Bingo, so they've been out there before for this situation. That's probably why they arrested him without even asking his side of the story. But still, this is a totally different situation. This is a new situation. They still should have investigated, asked him what happened before just taking her side of the story.
I would be too over lies. Going to take two of you to do anything when my hands was behind my back. I know this routine all too well.
Oh, shut the hell up.
Her own mother don't even want nothing to do with her. Why do you think she's living out there? You dumbasses can't put that shit together. But yet everybody else has got to suffer because of that fat little. You probably ain't even got a girlfriend, been with someone long enough to even know how it is.
He tells a cop, you haven't even been with a girl long enough to even know how it is. The funny part is, what if it's true?
You ain't got nothing to say about tackling me out back when my hands was already behind my back? Huh, boy?
The incident's over
Didn't
with.
happen.
I have nothing.
Oh, no, it's not over with. It's not over.
Hey, you have the right to remain silent. Use
Hey,
it.
I have the right to say whatever I want to say. Who the do you think you are?
Alright, keep talking then.
All right, I'm talking. I don't give a who likes it or not. You're communist little loving is what you are. Now what are you going to do about that?
Nothing.
All right.
Take you to jail.
Why are you even talking to me?
You're talking to me.
I'm not talking to you. I was talking to him. Little Miss Hercules wannabe. Oh, okay. All right. We see how it is. Silence tells the truth, don't it? Don't it?
Don't it?
Told you, I got nothing to say.
Yeah, you ain't got nothing to say because you're about
Okay.
it. You ain't got the balls to stand up for the right ball. None of you ever have down here. Give me my money, you goddamn thief! Give me my $10! You
Over $10, dog?
goddamn thief! Oh, you ain't got crazy yet! You ain't got crazy yet! Just wait till you guys face the wrath. Tell that dumb that. And do you know what? That's what I was doing out on the back porch. I was just sitting there minding my own business, and then I got to these communists.
And I got to these communists. They did kind of arrest him like communists.
Come up here and tackle me. So,
Hey, are you gonna
that's what you are.
You gonna
I'll say
comply with
what
these
I wanna
guys?
say.
Alright, I'm asking you a question right now. Are you gonna comply with these guys or are you gonna give them attitude?
My attitude's on. I mean, I know I got to go through the process, that's fine, but my attitude will stay the same. Because of you communist loving, Nazi loving. You drummed up this charge. I was sitting out on the back porch, not doing a thing.
James, are you diabetic?
Not doing a thing.
James, are you diabetic?
Don't you worry about it, Fine.
Get out.
Yeah, well, it's only been 15 minutes, asshole. I know this process. Goddamn. What all of y'all? How can you arrest me for sitting in a chair on the back porch, not saying nothing to nobody?
Jim.
How can you do that?
We're past that.
Well, no, answer the question. Okay, if you're so smart up there, boy, then answer it.
That's a good damn question that he's asking because they can't answer it because they didn't have probable cause to arrest him.
Told you, we're past that. You're in jail now. You're gonna listen to these guys.
Answer it. Now, I ain't listening to nobody.
Question.
Yeah, okay, in court you will. In
Okay,
court you
and I will.
All right, but both of you will. Both of you will. Because you cannot arrest me for sitting there. And I just trying to take everything but mine. So,
This sign right here.
I don't give a about that sign. That's good. This is bullshit. That's wrong.
Suicidal?
That ain't your business.
Yeah, I want to make sure you're safe.
That ain't your business.
I want to make sure you're safe.
Off it ain't.
The sign says if you have to go through just points,
I ain't got nothing to do. Let's roll. Let's roll.
Very easy for you, very hard.
Oh, it don't matter. I'll make it hard. Go ahead and abuse me. Go ahead.
Got a guy behind you bumping you up against a window talking about go ahead and abuse. Never mind. Okay.
Go ahead and abuse me. Because I guarantee you, you won't have a job by the time I'm done
How
with
many
it.
times I've heard that?
I don't know how this time, I'll guarantee you, you'll find out. That's my money.
I'm taking it.
Yeah, you rubber. Where's that $10 bill?
It's right here. I got it.
Well, that's all right. I'll be giving it back. Yeah, I'll do that.
We ain't thieves here.
Yeah.
I have a job.
Yeah, for now you do. For now you do. Goddamn.
James, you want to tell me your side?
Hey, no, I ain't telling you shit.
Now they want to hear his side? She just said, James, you want to tell me your side? Now you want to hear his side. No, at this point, wait until you have an attorney to hear his side. James, you ain't got to say nothing else.
You guys want to do a false arrest? Do you know what? You guys figure it out, okay? Because I don't got to figure it out.
I told you, you'll have your day in court like everyone
Oh,
else.
I can't wait to.
Okay.
I can't
I
wait.
either.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
This ain't my first rodeo.
Yeah. Well, it ain't my first radio either, but
You've been in
and just because you think that you're in good with the law, whatever, does not mean you're above the law.
I certainly am not.
That is what I am going to prove.
You tell him.
That's what I'm going to prove.
When I take these things like this, you're gonna put the hands on the glass. If you don't,
Witnesses, yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Okay, now, what witnesses about what? What happened?
Witnesses that you're being violent towards other people
Violent?
within your household.
I am not being violent. No, okay, that fat little come out here and locked the door on me, so I couldn't get nothing to eat.
Okay.
And I'm the one that's being violent.
And like I said,
I'm the
you will
one
have
that's
your day
being
in
violent.
court.
The male was charged with domestic violence and resisting arrest.
Okay, well, that was a very entertaining video. I sure hope that man gets everything squared away and the truth actually comes out. But thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Hey, and leave your comments. We love reading the comments. We love interacting with you guys. Let us know if you have any videos you want us to react to in the comments as well. And until next time, you know, as I always say, take it easy, my friends.
Big verdict.